Rainstorm Clean Energy Tropical. 12 fluid ounce, 355 milliliters. Oops, which direction? Everything's backwards for me on the camera. There it is. Nutrition facts, 0% juice, 10 calories, 270 milligrams of sodium. And then the 2 grams of this sweetener, erythritol. And we got our ingredients, carbonated water, that sweetener, citric acid, sodium citrate, natural flavors, panic ginseng extract, sucralose, which is another sugar alternative, ester gum, all the different vitamins and such, green tea extract, beta carotene for color. Yeah, a lot going on here with the ingredients for sure. And then for the caffeine, 200 milligrams. You can see their warning label on it. And they add some additional things here. Their proprietary blend. So there's that GUA USA thing, guarana extract. Lots of stuff going on with that. Then they have some marketing material on the side. I'm not going to bother reading this. It does say never any high fructose corn syrup or artificial source color. That's nice. Or BS claims. Okay. It's probably good. Actually, let me try this from the can first. So that's what it looks like. Natural coloring, which is nice. Relatively minimal carbonation. But yeah, it looks fine. Cool. There we go. All right, so that again is the Rainstorm Clean Energy Tropical. Let's try it out. Yeah, it does have a pineapple like smell to it. Yeah, the tropical flavor makes sense. I'm tasting some pineapple, orange as well. So it fits the picture. The carbonation is pretty minimal. This thing does have a lot of sodium in it. And I feel like I can tell that it does seem that way from the taste. I think overall, if you like the tropically fruity flavors, you're going to be fine with this. It does have the sucralose and also has the erythritol sweeteners in here, which I'm not a big fan of either of them. So up to you if you're okay with these sweeteners being used. They do have a specific aftertaste. It's not super strong in this one. Generally, any type of tropical flavor, I think artificial sweeteners tend to work a little bit better in these contexts just because of how those fruits taste in reality. But I mean, this thing has no juice in it. It's all manufactured flavor. But I do think it tastes pretty nice for what it is. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty pleasant, fruity flavor to it. With the carbonation and such, if you want to put it into a glass, you're going to lose a lot of carbonation, but there really isn't much to begin with. So adding ice and all that will work fine for the flavor because it has a good amount of flavor in it. But yeah, if you really want the carbonation to stay, probably just want to drink it from the can here. But other than that, 200 milligrams of caffeine is a lot, but it's not crazy because usually 300 or even over that. Sorry, carbonation from this and this. Yeah, 200 milligrams. I'd say a cup of coffee would be from 80 to 115 or so. So it isn't an insane amount of caffeine, but it is up there. So up to you if you want to consume that much in one go. Yeah, overall, I think these are pretty decent for what they are. I'm not a huge fan of the sweeteners, like I said, but it is what it is. If you're okay with those, then I think the flavor itself, obviously, flavor is personal preference, but I think the flavor of this one's pretty nice. Yeah, that was the Rainstorm Clean Energy Tropical